Hi guys, so this is a um, video of I'm just showing you I bought a keyboard called the Anti Pro 2, and so I got some custom keycaps made, which I'll show you. These are the black ones. There are just two different color ones in here, which I have for the function key, function 2, and the start bar. The yes, the start bar for actually one Windows. The start menu, and they are cool. So I had these custom made, and so these are the black ones. There's a blue and a pink one in there for Windows start key and stuff like that, and also the function key, function 2. So let me switch camera angles and I'll show you. So this is what the keyboard looks like now. It has blue and gray keycaps. They feel pretty good, and this keyboard has RGB as Bluetooth, so it's hooked up to this computer over here via Bluetooth. It can be hooked up via USB Type-C if you wanted to, but if I turn on this, it shows that it's basically RGB. You can turn off that. You can make it move. Probably can't pick that up perfectly, but you see it moves. It's RGB, so you can change the colors to what you want. And this is what it looks like. I just usually keep them off, but it's there if I need it, and it looks pretty dang cool. Like 1 and 2 are Bluetooth. 1, 2, 3, and 4 are Bluetooth. Number 1 is hooked up to this computer. Number 2 is hooked up to my iPad. Number 3 was hooked up to another computer, but I have to resync that profile now. And number 4 isn't anything. I'm thinking about replacing this mouse with an MX Master because it's Bluetooth, and so since it's Bluetooth, I could use the Bluetooth adapter over there and hook up the mouse, and then use the MX Master for use with my iPad and also laptop, because that's what was hooked up to number 3 was a laptop. And that laptop is at the moment getting repaired because I didn't feel like fixing it myself because of it was just been too much fast. I don't like fixing laptops that much. I know how to fix them. I just not in the mood to fix them. I rather fix other stuff like power supplies, which I fix myself because I had a power supply basically blow up on me and I fixed it because of a capacitor blew, and I actually fixed that. I should have made a video about it, but I didn't. This is just a nice keycap set. I paid I think around $30 for basically these custom keycaps to be actually made. I could have paid like a little bit actually more to like make them even more expensive, but I just wanted these because these were the ones I liked because I had to get a custom layout because these ones have actually custom etching on there showing the Bluetooth on the side here, so it shows all of the things that the original Anti Pro keycaps had. It shows them on this keyboard, and I can change the housing if I wanted to a wooden one, but I like the black one for like this one. Also, these keycaps came with a keycap puller, even though the Anti Pro came with actually this one. I might end up getting a ducky keyboard because I like different keyboards. Because before this is like my 4th mechanical keyboard. The first mechanical keyboard I got was an Eagle one. I forgot what it's called. The second one was basically a what was the second one? The second one was this other one. It was a 60%, not like this one. It was a little bit smaller. And then there was the 40%, which was the Vortex core, and then on the Anti-Pro 2, I also was thinking about getting a Magic Touch, which is a Bluetooth keyboard with like custom keycaps fresh to that, but I don't really know about it right now. And then these aren't really loud, so it's just guys looking at because the first keycaps I had were Cherry Mix Blues. The second were like Cherry Mix Reds, I think, and then the Vortex Core was Cherry Mix Clears, and these are Cherry Mix Browns. I'm thinking about getting a Cherry Mix Black keyboard next. I think I might get the Vortex Cipher, which actually has Cherry Mix Blacks in there, and they're not Gatorons. These are Cherry Mix, which doesn't really matter. And these are how browns sound. Just forget about the background noise, but oops. As you can see, I put I changed the scene somehow. I don't remember how I changed that actually. But I think I pressed it when I pressed down. Yep, down. Yep. Yep, I have scenes named webcam, stuff like that, and so when I press like W, it goes down. Let's go see. W for webcam, V for video. So if I press D for download, it basically shows that. I just figured that out about OBS, so I've been using this for a while, but I never actually figured out how people change scenes with actually their keyboard. They just use like what their scene is named. But I use this device right here, the Stream Deck. It has some keys on here that I can just change. I also have on order a Vortex Run, and Vortex Race 3, and also a Ducky Shine 2, I think it is. And yeah, I hope you like the sound the keyboard makes. But this is the first custom keycap I actually got. I'm actually planning on replacing all my keyboards with like custom caps. Even though this took a little bit time to get, I actually like the quality of them so far, and yeah, so they also glow through, and I basically, that's like the only RGB I actually care about, because if you looked at my computer over here, it doesn't have any RGB whatsoever. Yeah, and thanks for watching.